This is Deontay Martez Johnson. Calling case
Yes.
is P8548, improper land usage, and P108563A, appearance.
Paul Faulkner, P. 22994, represented defendant. Your name, sir?
Deontay Johnson.
Morning, Your Honor. Third Police Detective Derek Knox, badge number 3715.
Mr. Faulkner, I can't hear you.
Oh, let's see. Am I on I should be on there.
Okay, I hear you. I can hear you.
It's going to be a guilty plea. Where's the officer?
Mr. Johnson?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you're going to plead guilty to one count of improper plate and plead responsible to one count of improper lane usage?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to an attorney today about your case?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand, Mr. Johnson, that pleading guilty today will waive the right to a trial?
Yes.
In order to waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
I'd like to bring attention to May 23rd, 2020, around 7:10 p.m. in the area of Conner and Jefferson in the city of Detroit, where you're operating a 2013 Chrysler red vehicle without insurance.
Yes.
And did you also improperly use a lane or was the proper lane usage at the time when you were operating the vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied?
Satisfied.
Okay. What I've been doing, Mr. Johnson, due to the pandemic, I've waived the costs, so you don't have to pay anything to the court today, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No, thank you.
You are welcome. You have a good day.
You too.
Thanks. Okay, Detective Knox, you're all set? Let's do Sydney Jackson. Calling case P102146, one count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. This is the People versus Sydney Terrell Jackson. Appearance.
Paul Faulkner, representative. Your name, sir?
Sydney Jackson.
Your Honor, there, my
Mr. Faulkner, your audio was breaking. What did you say?
He's pleading guilty as charged.
Okay. Mr. Jackson, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
And did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Faulkner in private about your case today? I didn't hear you.
Yeah.
Okay, you can put your hand down too. Did anyone threaten you, promise you, or force you anything? Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No.
I didn't hear you. Something's going on with your audio too.
I said no, ma'am.
Okay, are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yeah.
You understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
And knowing that you're waiving that right to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to August 30th, 2019, 3:00 p.m. in the area of Shaner and State in the city of Detroit. Did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive your 2017 red Hyundai vehicle?
Yes.
Satisfied? talking, you're on mute. Thank you.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, and Mr. Jackson, like I said to the last individual, I'm waiving fines and costs today. You are all set. Do you have any questions?
Hello.
Okay, thank you very much. You too.
All right, you are welcome. Have a good day. Okay, let's do. Mr. Jeremy Joyce. You did speak to Mr. Faulkner already, correct?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Calling case P 342579, the people versus Jeremy Joyce, one count of driver while license not valid or improper license. Appearance.
Mr. Joyce, your name?
Jeremy Joyce.
Oh, fund representative defendant, if that didn't get on the record. Your Honor, there's an offer to reduce the failure to display. My client accepts it.
Okay. Mr. Joyce, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear affirm that the testimony is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Faulkner in private about your case today?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, I am today.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes, I do.
I'd like to bring your attention to December 22nd, 2014, around 2:32 p.m. in the area of Evergreen and Westfield in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 2011 Hyundai Blue vehicle?
Yes.
Were you stopped by a Detroit Police Department officer?
Yes.
And at that time, did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
Yes, I did.
Okay, satisfied?
Satisfied, John.
Okay, I will make the
Yeah.
amendment to display. Mr. Joyce, did you post the bond on this case?
Yes, 200.
Okay, so I will apply your bond to your reinstatement fees and have the balance returned to you in the mail.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
Is there anything I could get through email to try to get my license? As far as from the case or?
Did you say anything through email?
Yeah, so like I could take the Secretary of State or anything like that?
You can actually, they'll have the information in the system.
Okay. Okay then.
So wait 48 hours until, so that's how long it takes for the bond to be applied and submitted to the Secretary of State. They'll have the information from the court.
Okay then, thank you.
You're welcome.
Good luck, buddy.
Have a good day.
You too.
Okay, let's put you in with Jay Jordan. Mr. Jordan, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
So he has 4 counts. The offer is for him to plead to 1 count of failure to display a valid operator's license.
Okay, that's a good, and the rest will be dismissed. Okay, we're ready to go in.
Mr. Jordan, I'm going to put you into a breakout room to speak to Attorney Faulkner.
Okay.
Okay, and Attorney Reagan, good morning.
Hey, good morning.
How you doing? Which one? Attorney Reagan, are you there? Get a Jesse Florence call.
Jesse, yeah, we'll have,
Oh, okay, y'all are.
yeah, we on.
Attorney Reagan, can you hear me? Okay, Miss Jasmine,
Yes, ma'am.
good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your last name?
Delana Owensby, Officer Delana Owensby.
What's your last name? Miss Jasmine, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your last name?
Delano Owensby.
Okay, so it's in the courtroom.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
You're in the wrong. I just sent you a meeting ID for the right courtroom, okay? Just check your chat and then have the right ID number there for you. Okay, Mr. Faulkner, I'm gonna put you in with Lillian Johnson.
And the offer?
The offer is for her to plead as charged to expired plates with the driving unregistered and untitled and the no receipt of registration to be dismissed.
So that she just plead 2 expired plates and that's it?
Yep, responsible.
Approximately. Okay.
Ms. Johnson, can you hear me okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put you into a breakout room to speak to Attorney Faulkner in private about your case.
Okay.
Which one?
Ms. Brill,
She was open yesterday.
let me give her a. Oh, what's going on with Reagan?
Hello?
Yeah, Mr. Jordan,
Yes.
we're just waiting a couple minutes, we're getting a couple other people to talk to Mr. Faulkner, then I'll call your case, okay?
Okay, cool. I just make sure my audio was working.
Yes, yours
Sorry.
working, actually, just. Miss Jasmine, I need you to listen, I'm trying to tell you, you're in the wrong courtroom.
Jesus.
Attorney Reagan,
Yes, Your Honor, I'm sorry. I'm having technical difficulty, but I'm good now. I'm fine. Thank you.
so who is your client?
I have Mr. Jesse Florence, Jr.
Okay. So. No offer on the file. So Attorney Reagan, do you want to wait till we call a prosecutor down to get an offer for this case?
Judges, it should be scheduled for trial today, correct?
Whoa.
No, I don't have. I have a pretrial scheduled.
Pre-trial? Oh, Lord, Judge. I just want a trial date, Judge. This is not going to be a plea, not going to be an offer. This was a simple money grab by DPD. They took his car. There's no reason to do it. Nothing happened. So we need a trial date, Judge. Okay.
Okay, I'll do it 2 weeks out. That's the earliest I can do.
That'll be great, Judge. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So October 8th.
October 8th is fine, Your Honor. Mr. Faulkner, good to see you.
Good to be seen. How you doing?
All right, sir.
So I have to call it still. U 576-24820. These are people versus Jesse Florence, one count of accosting and soliciting another for an act of prostitution. Then they set for a pretrial appearance.
Judge, may it please this honorable court, good morning, Philip Reagan, P57156, on behalf of Jesse Florence Jr., who is present via Zoom, Your Honor. Mr. Florence, could you state your name for the record, please?
Jesse Florence Jr.
Judge, today is the date and time set for pretrial. We are respectfully requesting a trial in this matter.
Okay, as we discussed off the record, October 8th works for you and the court, so we'll schedule it for October 8th.
Judge, thank you so very much.
You're welcome. It'll be at 8:30.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Have a great day, you and your staff.
Go on to. You're all set, Mr. Florence.
And be safe. Okay, bye-bye.
I'm gonna put you on with Miss Lakeisha Frill next.
And the offer?
It's
What's
no
the
offer allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. It's from yesterday.
Okay.
Miss Frill, can you hear me okay?
Yes, hi, good morning.
Good morning. I'm gonna put you into a breakout room to speak to Attorney Faulkner about your case, okay?
Okay.
Ms. Jackson, I'm probably gonna have to have you call in to the court since I can't hear you.
Okay, so do I just, dial the number that's on the paper I got in the mail?
Yes, I heard that. Yeah, go ahead and dial that number.
Okay.
I really wish you can't hear me. Not very well. Yeah, that's true. The best time, yeah, but it was still like. Sounds like for yeah, like she's turned up.
I got out of paying $25.
Oh, for not showing up. Okay, we're gonna put you in with, Mr. Fuller. Mr. Fuller, go ahead and unmute your phone.
Okay.
What's the offer on that, Judge? There's no registration and no insurance.
I don't have the car anymore.
1 second, Mr. Fuller.
Okay, just a minute. We'll go over that in a minute.
The offer is for improper plates.
Okay.
Mr. Fuller, I'm gonna put you into a breakout room to speak privately about the case, okay, with Mr. Faulkner.
Okay.
So you can tell him everything you're about to tell me.
Yeah, Sabree, could you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear now.
Okay, good.
And how do you say your first name?
Is Jamaria?
Okay, Jamaria. All right, you're going in next to speak to Attorney Faulkner, okay, after he gets done with, who he's in there with now.
Okay.
James Bond. I don't feel like playing it. Just your brace part.
next we have Ms. Jamaria Jackson.
Jackson,
Yes.
So she only has 2 counts on the docket, but I found, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more counts in warrant status. So I'm going to take care of all of them today. The offer will be for failure to display with the 5 counts, 5 remaining counts to be, 7 counts to be dismissed. So she has a total of 8.
the one FPD. Okay,
Yep.
sounds good to me. Okay, you can put it in.
Ms. Jackson, I'm going to put you into a breakout room, okay?
Okay.
Let me know you have. And I'll put your phone with tomorrow. Nope. 360. No, it's okay. It's okay. Just make sure you get it right. I'll say it back to me. Yep. 30 in the front. You're welcome. Have a good day, okay? Okay, thank you. Check. Can we put this up? This was tomorrow. Well, you missed.
Okay, let's start with Ms. Frill. Calling case 135174341. This is the People versus Lakeisha Frill. 1 count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearance?
Yes,
Bob Fong, representative defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Lakeisha Frill.
The honor, my client will be guilty as charged.
Okay, Ms. Frill, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or
Yes,
affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Did
yes,
you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Faulkner in private today about your case? Did
yes,
anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
no,
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will? And are you pleading
yes,
guilty because you're actually guilty? Do you
yes,
understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial? Knowing that
yes,
you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
yes,
I'd like to bring attention to October 29th. Actually, counsel, this is from 2013. It's a state count, so I'm going to dismiss this matter.
Thank you, your honor. No objection.
Ms. Frill, your
thank
case
you.
has been dismissed. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
Yes, your honor.
Okay, Ms. Frill, you are all set.
Thank
You're
you, Your
welcome.
Honor.
Have a good day. Okay, Lillian Johnson, you are next. Calling case P 1066765, the People versus Lillian Johnson. Count 1, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, expired plates. Count 3, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Appearance.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Lillian Johnson.
Your Honor, there's an offer. My client accepts it.
Okay, Ms. Johnson, the offer is for you to plead responsible to 1 count of expired plates. Would you like to plead responsible to that 1 count?
Yes.
Okay. Is there a stipulation to the face of the ticket for purposes of the responsible plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Johnson, I have accepted your responsible plea. I will dismiss counts 1 and 3. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
No stipulate.
Okay, and also, Ms. Johnson, I'm waiving your fines and costs, so you don't have to pay anything today to the court, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No.
All right, you have a good day.
How do you leave?
Raphael,
Yes.
okay, calling case P1086513, People versus Raphael Fuller. Count 1, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance. Appearance.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Raphael Fuller.
Your Honor, my client would plead to the improper plates.
Okay, can you raise your right hand, Mr. Fuller? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Faulkner in private today about your case?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yeah.
I'd like to bring your attention to May 23rd, 2020, around 1:44 p.m. in the area of Vern and Hayden in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 2005 Chrysler Green vehicle without registration?
Yes.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I will make the amendment to improper plates and also dismiss count 2. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
No stipulate.
Okay. Mr. Fuller, I'm going to waive your fines and costs as well, okay? So that'd be $240 you can keep in your pocket, all right?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you have any questions?
No.
All right, you have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. And Mr. J. Jordan? Calling case
Morning, Your Honor.
P66647, People versus J. Jordan, driving while license suspended. 449206, no operator's license in possession. Count 2, no insurance. And P1009893, driving while license not valid or improper license. Appearance.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Jay Jordan.
Your Honor, there is an offer. My client would plead guilty to 1 count of failure to display. The remainder is to be dismissed.
Okay. Mr. Jordan, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Faulkner today in private about your case?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you are actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay. I'd like to bring your attention to July 7th, July 19th, 2019, around 9:30 p.m. in the area of Shane and Larned in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 2003 Ford Blue vehicle.
Yes.
Okay. Were you stopped by a Detroit Police Department officer?
Yes.
And did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay. And I will dismiss the remaining counts. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
Don't stipulate.
Okay. Mr. Jordan, same thing with you. I'm going to waive your fines and costs as well today, okay?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You have any questions?
How long does it take to go through for the Secretary of State? You said about 48 hours?
Yes. So did you post a bond?
Yeah, I paid a bail bondsman, yeah.
Oh, you paid a bail bondsman. Okay. So I can't apply your bond since you paid a bail bondsman. I can't apply that to your reinstatement fees. So you're going to have to take care of your reinstatement fees yourself, as far as paying $45 for each count. Okay.
Okay.
You can go on our website and do that, 36districtcourt.org. Look up your name and you can see all of the counts that have the $45 balance on it. That's the reinstatement fee that needs to be paid to the Secretary of State.
Okay.
That make sense?
I didn't hear you.
I said, does that make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you're all set. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Okay, Ms. Jackson? Go ahead and unmute your phone, Ms. Jackson. Ms. Jackson? There we go.
Can you hear me, Your Honor, Sabree?
I sure can.
Okay.
All right, I'm getting ready to call your matter, okay?
Okay.
This is the People versus Jamaria Jackson, calling cases P1062851, driving while license not valid or improper license, count 2, no insurance. P1062848, improper lane usage, count 2, dirty, obscured, improperly displayed plate, and 227455, count 1, license expired, count 2, expired plate, count 3, failure to produce evidence of insurance, and 496170, no operator's license in possession. Appearance?
All talking to representative defendant. And your name, ma'am?
Jamaria Jackson.
Your Honor, my client would plead guilty to one count of failure to display, with the understanding the other 7 tickets would be dismissed.
Ms. Jackson, can you, actually, I can't see you, so I'm just gonna swear you in without raising your hand. You swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
I do.
Okay, did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Faulkner in private about your case today?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving that right, Ms. Jackson, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to February 4th, 2020, around 3:33 p.m. in the area of Davidson and Rosa Parks in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 2008 black, was it a Mercury or Mercedes?
Mercury.
Okay, and were you stopped by a Detroit Police Department officer?
Yes. Say that again. I didn't hear the last part, Your Honor.
I said, were you stopped by a Detroit Police Department officer?
Yes.
Okay, and at that time, did you fail to display to that officer a valid operator's license?
Yes.
Okay.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay. I will accept your guilty plea. I will dismiss all the remaining counts before the court. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
Don't stipulate.
And Ms. Jackson, I'm waiving everyone's fines and costs today due to the pandemic. So you don't have to pay anything for this count that you just pled guilty to, okay?
Okay.
And did you post the bond at all?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you kind of got a good deal today. You're gonna have to take care
Yes,
of your
ma'am.
reinstatement fees on all of those counts that were dismissed, as well as the one you pled guilty to today, okay?
Okay.
You can check on our website to do that. It's easier than going on the Secretary of State's website.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, you have a good day.
You too. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.